So where can you buy precious metals? Greetings, Service Stackers. How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. So when you first get into stacking, it can be very daunting, especially when you're trying to figure out where to buy silver and gold. There are many options online, some of which I will cover in this video, but you can do a lot of peer-to-peer sales, you can buy at conventions, you can buy at coin shops, etc. So today's video is actually going to just be discussing some of the different options that I like to use, and I know that some of you have used as well. And if I've left any off the list, please make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know who you've used and what you think about them. So with that, why don't we just dive right in and take a look. So the first site that I typically use for a lot of my purchases is MexMEX. MexMEX is, in my opinion, one of the largest, if not the largest, bullion dealer. They offer a huge selection of silver, gold, copper, supplies, you name it, they most likely have it. Now you can easily navigate their website and find what you look for. A lot of times I like to click on the deals, see what kind of deals that they have to offer. Usually you can check here on Mondays and it typically changes, and you can see various things that are available. And it looks like right now they've got their Valentine's Day stuff all locked and loaded. The next site I like to use also is Provident. Provident is typically my other go-to site. I haven't really had any issues with Provident. They offer things at a very good price. Sometimes they do have various series that I enjoy collecting, one of which was Horsemen of the Apocalypse. They did have the Zombucks. I've been collecting the Prospector series, which is kind of like the Wild Wild West, but very easy to navigate, very user-friendly website. Like I said, they typically have very, very good prices, so I would definitely recommend Provident. The other site I also use quite often is Bold Precious Metals. They have sponsored some giveaways for Guido and myself in the past. Oh, Krusty the Clown. Definitely going to have to pick him up. Let me check this out real quick. Hold on a second. I have the 2019 Doe one. All right, cool. So they have a very easy to navigate site as well. JME Bullion, I used to use them in the past. I haven't really in a while. I do check them out from time to time. I do like to comparison shop if there's something I'm in the market for. I typically will go to like 3 or 4 of the different dealers and see what they have to offer. Here they have their site set up similar to the other dealers. You can click on deals, see what they're offering, and very easy to navigate. Now, the other site that I have started to get into is New Zealand Mint. They actually just started following me on Instagram. Makes me feel special. One of the things that caught my eyes was this guy. Looks a lot like me, just a little bit smaller. But they offer a wide range of specialty items. They are more of a collector's website, but they do offer, you know, silver and gold bullion, but it's typically with a lot of different pop culture subject matter, whether it be comic books, Star Trek, Star Wars, etc. Then I also check out Monarch Precious Metals from time to time. I view them as kind of like a specialty bullion dealer, typically offering some more collector type items. Here you can see the Egyptian series, they have the alien head, they have dice. One of the things that I've purchased through them is the Dragon vs. Viking series, the original one, which was a 10-ounce round, and then the 5-ounce one, which is ultra high relief. Then Monument Metals is another one that some of the people in our community use often. Sometimes you could get some really good deals. They had one with a lunar landing, if I'm not mistaken, over the summer. Everybody was jumping on board with that one. And then SD Bullion, also a popular bullion dealer amongst the stacking community. I know that they, as well as JM, offer a welcome pack. I believe it's 10 ounces generic at spot price. So if you haven't checked out SD Bullion, they are one of the online dealers you should definitely check out. And like I said, JM Bullion, they also do the collector's pack too. And then another place that you can always go to is your local coin shop. Now, the local coin shop, by me, in my opinion, is fantastic. Steve's always got a awesome selection of items, and you definitely want to get in good with your local coin shop. But then there's eBay. Now, I try to not buy anything off of eBay. Here you can kind of see some of the things I've been looking at. That Leonidas, man, I really want that. But if I were you, if you are going to be purchasing off of eBay, if you just go on here and you type Silver Eagle and you start scrolling down, you'll see a whole bunch of Silver Eagles, but you got to pay attention to the seller history. But what I like to do is actually go to the different dealers. Now, a lot of the dealers that I just showed you, they actually have eBay stores, right? So like you have Bold Precious Metals, you have APMEX, Liberty Coin. So there are definitely deals to be had on there, and I know a lot of people like to use eBay bucks. But, you know, I typically don't really use eBay so much. So guys, if you liked today's video, please make sure you check out that video. This video is awesome too. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, and long live the Empire.